basically what a lot of companies are going. They know that people are using workouts at home. You do not have Beachbody, Daily Burn, to name a few, and they offer their services at home, so you don't have to leave, and you can get your workouts in when your children are taking naps or even when they're running around with you. I started out working at home when my kids were my first two, which are 14 and 13 now. When they were little, I used to use something called The Firm. It was on an infomercial, and I bought it and I loved it, and that's what I used for a long time. But these are fancy because this comes with a, didn't even open it. This comes with a heart rate strap, and what you do is you put the heart rate strap on, you download the app to the Google Chromecast, and it only works on Google Chromecast, so that's why they send it to you. If you have a Google Chromecast, you don't have to receive this because they do charge you for this stuff after 30 days. You can also, if you have a Mac computer, you can use it on your Mac computer as well. And this heart rate strap will connect to the Mac computer or the app on the Google Chromecast. Now they have classes that are happening live, similar to the Peloton bike classes that are live, and what you would do is put the strap on and you will be able to see what your heart rate is while you are working out. It'll show up on your screen. I like that because I feel like sometimes with home workouts you're not able to, sometimes you don't push yourself as hard as you should, and it does get that competitive aspect to it because it's showing you exactly what your body's doing, and it makes you competitive with yourself, so push yourself. So I do like that about this. Now the cost of this, the first initial kit, I want to say if you get the Google Chromecast with this, I want to say it's $70, and the monthly fee is $15 just to access the ClassPass for monthly. Like I said, I'm not keeping it because I am not a home workout person anymore. I used to be. If this was like years ago, I would have kept it, but for me it's just not worth it. But I feel like if you are someone that can't get to the gym, or you don't like the gym and you want to get your workouts in, you should definitely maybe try the ClassPass and see if you like it. This video is not sponsored, by the way. I love, you know, new fitness things and stuff like that. I wanted to try it, but to show you how much I go to the gym, I wasn't even able to try a workout on it. I did look at some of them on my MacBook though, to see how they are. They have different varieties. They have boot camps. They have, you know, sometimes you might need your own weights for some of them, I've noticed. So I did look at them on my MacBook, but I just, with my schedule with my twins, I just was not able to, you know, utilize it. So it will be going back this week actually. And yeah, I just wanted to show you guys this option that is now available. I actually am also trying the Peloton, what is it called? The Peloton bike app that you can use with your own bike, and that app, if you are a cycle person, is very good. Like, you can get a workout in like you're in a class. You're sweating, because sometimes I ride the bike at the gym on my own and I'm not sweating as much as I would be if I was in a class. But that app, like if you follow what the instructors are telling you to do, is very, very good. So that's it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Like, comment, subscribe, share this. Like I said, I think this is great for someone who wants to stay home and work out. It helps you to be more accountable with your goals and things like that. So thank you so much for watching. Have a great day. Bye.